All right, here we are, round number 2. Gonna try to make this thing fly. I want to take the camera, sir. All right. You ready? Oh yeah.
Pin it.
What's it doing?
That's what he was doing last time and it didn't go well. You full throttle? Oh, that was a piece of something. Oh man, this thing is immortal this time. Nice. I'm just gonna throw it to the edge. Oh, but he's flatter than last time.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. Well, they can't move anymore. They're not gonna move anymore. So full throttle, and I have to go back.
Done?
Fuck.
He's good with all that stuff. Take 112. Oh yeah! Oh! Tom, you're flying that shit. Oh! Push it. Hey, what are you doing?
I was flying it.
Yeah?
I was flying it.
Why the fuck did you stop in the
I
middle?
want to land. Okay.
No,
Okay.
easy. One step. Done? Oh fuck, you're flying it! I give you $100 if you let it up. Oh, Peter is gonna shit his pants after this.
This thing's fucking sweet. This thing flies really good.
Okay, this is the first step to having an aerospace company here. We have here the Captain Kamikaze Tom, after what he just did.
That's a good flight.
Yeah.
I was trying to bring it in for a landing.